got your hair down at home, or even a ponytail, you're gonna get ready to party, okay? First move, we're just gonna ring the alarm. You ain't here to party. Ring the alarm right here. Elbows. Make that big. Stay right here. This has got all those bad chick vibes. All right, bring it up. Squat. Double it up, hands behind the head. Do it again. Take it on down, like this. Open, take it down, pop it. Bring it up, and then you shake that sweat off. Hup. Take it back. We're gonna take it two. Hup. Do it again. Take it to a single. Turn it out. Two. Are you ready for that party time? Party time. Body roll. Get a little naughty. From the top, reach. Here we go. Double. Whoop. Take it down. Shake a little something on the floor. Sweat. You're just like, what? Take it back. Double. Hup. Singles. You're my girls. Turn it out. Ready for that party time? Body roll. Move it big. Now we're gonna hold right here. You're sneaking in, right? Where are you going? Hold it right here. Do it again. That's when we take it to the parking lot. Hold it. Roll it. Take it out. Kickball change.
Damn, Dr. Jam like a summer show. I keep my car looking like a crash dummy drove. My gear look like the bank got my money.
We're gonna take it to the side, touch the floor. Take your time.
That's the one that excites your divas. At the media shine, I'm shining with both of the sleeves up.
4,
Christina,
3, 2. Booty shake it around.
The club is packed, the bar is filled. I'm waiting for sisters to act like Lauryn Hill.
All the way.
It's a rap, no bargain deals. I drive a four-wheel quad with foreign wheels. Going up, baby, this brick city. You heard of that? We blessed and hung
Look at that little rainbow.
Dogs, let them out. Women, let them in.
3,
it's like
2, 1. Party time, what? Body roll. It's your chance to get a little naughty. 3, 2. Sweat. I missed my party. I hope you got it. All right, we go forward. Take it down, shake it on the floor. Up, shake it out. Hup. This is where we end. Yeah.